So let's look at the keyword arguments. Let us have a function that will multiply two numbers and return the product. Like that, def multiply num1, number 2, return number 1 times number 2. So we have def multiply that is num1, num2. So we return num1 times num2, like that. So because it is it's a return, we need to have another variable which will hold the result. Need another variable called result, which will hold this the return. Multiply. So we want to multiply 3 and 4, like that. Then we now come and say print result, like that. So when we run this, let me clear this first. So when we run this, we get 12. But now since we are only using results once, we don't have to have it. We can just say print. We can just say print multiply 3 times 4, like that. Then we remove this, like that. So if we print, we still get 12. So this is more lean. We can now remove this. So our code is now more lean, like that. If we run this, let's clear this first. We get 12. Beautiful. Now, so when the Python interpreter runs the code, it will first call the multiply function and store the result in a temporary variable. It will then pass that variable as an argument to the print function. We can make this code more readable. If someone looks at line 5, they might not know what exactly its role is. We can use a keyword argument to make the code more readable. We can rename the arguments with the name of the parameter. Like this, we have print multiply 3. Instead of now just putting 4, we give it a name like that, which is almost like plain English. We can read the code almost like plain English, like multiply 3 by number 2. If you are calling a function with multiple arguments and it is not clear what they represent, you can use keyword arguments, like number 2 equals to 1 is a keyword argument. In other words, we are using the name of that variable, the name of that variable.